Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. It has been so long since I posted a new YouTube video. Things have just been so crazy, but I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be going from curly to straight hair. I really only straighten my hair or put heat on my hair once or twice a year, but sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of a change, and today I'm switching it up. So if you would like to see how I go from big, curly, kind of frizzy hair right now to super sleek, straight, and moisturized hair, then keep watching. So as you can see, my hair is wet. I just washed and conditioned my hair using the Biosilk collection, and then I also deep conditioned my hair using Olaplex number 3. So the key to a really good silk press is to make sure that your hair is super clean. So I washed my hair 3 times and then I conditioned, and this is just to make sure that everything is out of my hair, that it's completely cleansed, and that there's no buildup that's gonna be gunky or weighing my hair down or actually causing my hair to burn whenever I use the flat iron. So next I'm just gonna be blow drying my hair. And to blow dry my hair, I just go in sections. All right, so I've just split my hair into 4 sections, and I'm just going to spray it with a little bit of my Shea thermal protectant. And this just obviously protects my hair from the heat, but I really like it because it also doesn't give me that like sticky buildup that a lot of heat protectants do. So I'm just gonna give it a few sprays. As you guys can see, I am using both a Denman brush and a round brush, and this just helps me to achieve straighter results when I'm blow drying because of the different types of friction. See, my hair is completely blown out. Before I use the flat iron, I'm gonna use a little bit of this Biosilk serum. It's called the Silk Therapy Serum, and also a couple more spritzes of my Shea thermal protectant. So what I do for each section that I flat iron is I take a very small tooth comb and I chase that with the flat iron behind it to make sure that each section turns out as sleek as possible. So as you guys can see, my sections are pretty small, and I do take my time passing over each section just to ensure that I don't have to go over it more than 2 or 3 times and that I'm getting the most sleek results that I can. so this is the finished product. It turned out super silky and super shiny. So I'm really, really happy with the results. Before I end the video, I also want to show you guys what I do when I'm finished straightening my hair. I use the Moroccan Oil Treatment. This is like a little travel size, but you can get a full size as well. And this is just kind of to like tame my flyaways and give me a little extra boost of shine. Literally only using a drop. That's probably still even too much, so I'm just gonna wipe a little bit. I'm just kind of smoothing it onto the top of my hair and then into my ends, just to add some extra shine. So that is it, you guys. That is how I go from curly to straight. And this style usually lasts me about 2 weeks or so before I have to wash it again. I do use dry shampoo. The Moroccan Oil brand also has a really good dry shampoo that you just spray onto your roots a little bit. So hopefully this works for you guys. If it did, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.